Good morning, children. Welcome back again. This morning, we are going to be taking our lesson on our favorite subject, Christian Religious Studies. Our topic this morning still remain the biographies of Christian leaders. This morning also, we are going to be taking the biography of Reverend Thomas Freeman. Reverend Thomas Freeman from 1809 to 1890. Our keywords are biography, Methodist, church, school. By the end of the lesson, I'll be expecting you to be able to tell me how many children he had in his school. State the date he carried the good news to Lagos. 3. State how many converts he made in Ghana. Okay? Now, I said Reverend Thomas Freeman was the first and the greatest Methodist missionary in Nigeria. The first and the greatest Methodist missionary in Nigeria. So, he is the first Methodist reverend that came to Nigeria to establish Methodist Church. His father was a free African slave and his mother an English woman. His father was once a slave, set free, but he married an English woman. Reverend Freeman set up 7 mission schools and Reverend Freeman set up 7 mission churches and many schools in Ghana. He went to Ghana and set up 7 mission churches, Methodist churches. He set it up and many schools in Ghana. And because of his hard work in Ghana, he converted 500 people into those churches. And the school that he also set up, he had 225 pupils in his school. So the man really worked hard. He carried the good news at the same time, opened schools for people to come and learn. In 1842, he came down to Nigeria and set up a Methodist mission in Badagry. That is in 1842. He went to Badagry and set up a Methodist church there. And Badagry is in Lagos. He also went to Abeokuta in Ogun State to also set up a school and church. He worked so hard that made the people in Abeokuta to love him. They love him so much because of his hard work. He preached the good news, he showed good example. He has a lot of testimonies that happened during his time. Reverend Freeman was a tireless worker. He worked for God in spite of the difficulty that is surrounding that period, because missionaries were facing a lot of difficulties. They were facing a lot of challenge. One of those challenges was that he lost the first and the second wife because of tropical disease like malaria and yellow fever. Because then the white men, the doctors then does not have the drug to cure those diseases. So a lot of missionaries that even came with Reverend Thomas Freeman also died during that period because of malaria and disease. I'm going to stop here. I will send you your classwork on class doodle. Make sure you do those assignments. Have a nice day.